taken in part exchange this Aprilia Tuono. It's a very clean bike. It's done 13,400 miles. It's on an 05 plate, as you can see. It's got a few nice extras on there. It's got the exhaust there, the aftermarket exhaust. It's got the seat covers on there, the Aprilia tank pad. It's also got power bronze dark screen, adjustable levers. Very hard to find now, especially in this condition. It's a very clean bike, this. Hopefully the video will show you just how clean it is. Please give us a call for more information.